Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Sarosh and I am a foundation level student at Rehan School. So today I am doing my first TEDx talk. So let's start it. Today I want to talk about a very inspiring TEDx talk called The Power of Dream and Curiosity by Adil Hashmi. Before we start, think about this. When was the last time you followed a dream without fear or asked a question just because you were curious? This talk is about two very important things: dream and curiosity. Dreams, they give direction and purpose in life, and curiosity, it gives courage to explore, learn, and try new things. In this video, in this video I will talk about that the main message of the talk and what I learned from it and how can I use these lessons in my life and some small stories to explain it. By the end of this video, I hope you feel inspired to dream bigger and stay curious. First, we talk about the speaker. Adil Hashmi is a Pakistani actor, writer, and motivational speaker. He does not just talk to motivate, he shares ideas in a very personal way. You feel like he is speaking directly to you. He wants people to find their true potential, and he does it through stories and examples that are easy to understand. I love his style because it feels calm, friendly, and very real. The main idea of the talk focuses on two main ideas: dreams giving direction, and curiosity gives courage. Dreams giving direction, dream shows us where to go in life, and curiosity gives courage. Curiosity helps take action, try new things, and learn. Adil explains that every success starts with a dream. Without dreams, life becomes routine and boring. Curiosity make us ask question that why does this happen? Can I do this differently? And what if I try something new? When we combine dreams and curiosity, we can achieve amazing things. So, the first lesson we learn from this talk is that dreams are plans from the future. Dreams are plans for the future. Adil says that dreams are not childish, they give purpose and motivation, and every successful person started with a dream. He shares stories of people who dared to dream big even when others said it was impossible. I realized that I sometimes give up on my dreams because I focus too much on safety or comfort. This talk reminded me that dreams lead to action. Every small dream can grow bigger if we believe in them and take steps every day. The second lesson I learned from this talk is that power of curiosity. Curiosity is very important because Adil explained that curiosity helps us keep learning, opens doors we never knew excited, lead to creativity and innovation. If we stop asking questions, we stop growing. And this was the main point, that if we stop asking questions, we stop growing. I personally want to stay curious every day. I want to ask questions, explore new ideas, and never stop learning. Even small curiosity can make life interesting. For example, asking how something works, trying a new hobby, exploring a new place. The third lesson I learned from this TEDx talk is that youth and energy. Adil talked about young people and their energy. He says that youth have imagination without fear, courage to try new things, and energy to challenge old rules. He also says we should not wait for permission to follow our dreams. Start now, even if you feel unready. I realize that sometimes we wait too long to start something, but if we take small steps now, we can achieve big things. Acha, emotional impact of the talk. What makes this talk special is how emotional and relatable it is. Adil does not just teach ideas, he shares them in a way that touches your heart. So he reminds us to that believe in ourselves, keep exploring, take small steps every day. Listening to this talk gave me hope and motivation. I felt encouraged to look at my dreams again and think about what I really want. My personal reflection. So viewers, I share my personal reflection that what I actual feel to listen this talk. After watching this talk, I thought about my life. I asked myself that how many dreams did I stop because I was afraid? That how often do I ignore my curiosity? And how often do I compromise myself to other and feel stuck? Adil talk Adil's talk made me realize that growth happens only when we take action. So I decided that write down my ideas and dreams every day, take small actions to reach my goals, face my fears instead of running from them, stop comparing my journey to others because everyone have their own mindset. Even small changes in habits can make a big difference over time. So next is that how I will apply these lessons in my life. I plan to be curious every day, explore, ask questions, learn something new, dream clearly, write down my goals and imagine achieving them, take small risks, try new things, even if I might fail. Take small risks, try new things, even if I might fail. Choose growth over comfort, do things that challenge me. Number five is that believe in myself, trust my journey, even if progress is slow. Flying higher is not about being perfect, it's about having courage, curiosity, and persistence. So, the overall review is that, in short, the power of dream and curiosity is that simple and easy to understand, very inspiring, emotional and motivating, full of practical advice. It is perfect for students, young people, and anyone who feels stuck in life. The talk reminds us to dream big, stay curious, and take action every day. To conclude this talk, this to conclude the topic, dream and curiosity. Every success start with a dream, and every journey of growth start with curiosity. Ask yourself that, am I still dreaming? And am I still curious? Ask these two questions with you. Remember that courage is moving forward even if you are afraid. Thanks for watching my TEDx talk review. Meet you. I hope that it inspires you to dream, explore, and grow every day. Meet you in next video. Uh, I hope that you will. Sorry, I have an internet issue. I hope that you will learn something new and inspired from the TEDx talk of the Adil Hashmi and inspired with the topic of the power of dream and curiosity. I will meet you in next video. Hope you will enjoy it. Allah Hafiz, Pakistan Zindabad.